Hello students, today we are going to start 6th chapter of class 7th, the triangles and its property. So start our chapter with some basic concept, and first term is triangle. So what is a triangle? A triangle is a simple closed curve made up of 3 line segments. It has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. Now you can clearly see here that ABC is a triangle. How can we say that ABC is a triangle? Since it has 3 sides that are closed. So ABC form a triangle in which 3 sides are side AB, side BC and side AC. 3 angles are angle A, angle B and angle C. 3 vertices are vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Our next topic is classification of triangle. How can we classify a triangle? We can classify a triangle by 2 ways. First, based on side, and second one is based on angle. On the basis of side, we can classify our triangle into 3 kinds: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Scalene triangle, in this triangle all the sides are of different measurement. So here if we have a triangle whose sides are 2 cm, 3 cm, 5 cm. Now you can see here all the measurement of the sides are different from each other. So this kind of triangles are known as the scalene triangle. Our second kind is isosceles triangle. In this triangle, 2 sides of the triangle are of equal measurement. So if you have a triangle whose 2 sides are equal measurement and third side is different from the equal measurement, then this triangle is known as the isosceles triangle. Now you can see in this figure that in this triangle 2 sides of 5 cm measurement and third side is of 6 cm measurement. So it is an example of isosceles triangle. Our third kind is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all sides of the triangle are of equal measurement. So if you have a triangle whose all the sides are of equal measurement, then this triangle is known as the equilateral triangle. So here is a triangle whose all sides of 2 cm measurement. So this triangle is an example of equilateral triangle. Our second classification is based on the angle, and on the basis of angle we can classify our triangle into 3 kind of triangle. First one is acute angle triangle, second one is obtuse angle triangle and third one is right angle triangle. So in acute angle triangle all the angle of the triangle is less than 90 degree. If any triangle has 3 of its angle is less than 90 degree, then this triangle is known as acute angled triangle. For example, here we have a triangle whose interior angles are 60 degree, 40 degree and 80 degree, and all these angles are less than 90 degree. So this triangle is known as acute angle triangle. Second kind of triangle is obtuse angle triangle. If one of the angle of this triangle, any triangle, is more than 90 degree, then this triangle is known as the obtuse angle triangle. Suppose we have a triangle whose one angle is more than 90 degree and other 2 angles are less than 90 degree, then this triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Our third kind is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one of the angle of 90 degree. So if we have a triangle whose one angle is 90 degree, then this triangle is known as right angle triangle. Now move to our next topic. Our next topic is median. What is a median? A median of a triangle is a line segment that connect a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. A triangle has 3 medians. So now you can see here that ABC is a triangle and line segment, and from vertex A we draw a line segment AD such that BD is equal to CD. So in this triangle, AD is known as the median of this triangle, since this median divides opposite side of vertex A into two equal parts, and any triangle has maximum 3 median. So if we have a triangle ABC, then we can construct its 3 median like BD, CF, AE. Now move to our next topic. Our next topic is altitude. The perpendicular line segment from a vertex to its opposite side is called the altitude of the triangle. A triangle has 3 altitude. So if we draw a line segment from a vertex A such that it makes 90-degree angle with opposite side BC, here line AD is known as the altitude or height of the triangle. Any triangle has maximum 3 altitude. So in this figure you can easily see here that AE, BD and CF are the 3 altitude of triangle ABC. Now we are going to start our exercise 6.1, and first question of this exercise is, in triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. So question is PM is. Now you can see in this diagram that PM is perpendicular to the side QR. So PM is the altitude of the triangle PQR. So answer of first part is PM is the altitude. Now second question is PD is dash. It is given in the question that D is the midpoint. It is given in the question that D is the midpoint. So we have QD is equal to DR. And if QD is equal to DR, it means PD is the median of triangle PQR. Our next question is QM is equal to MR? Since M is not the midpoint of this triangle, so QM cannot be equal to MR. So answer of third part is no, QM is not equal to MR. Now move to our second question. Our second question is, in triangle ABC, we have to draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC in which BE is a median. So first part of this question is, we have to draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC in which BE is the median. So here is the rough sketch of triangle ABC in which BE is the median. For this we draw a line segment from the vertex B to the opposite side AC such that AE is equal to EC. In this way BE is the median of triangle ABC. Our next rough sketch is, in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitude of the triangle. This is possible only in the case of right angle triangle in which two of its sides are perpendicular to each other. So in a right angle triangle, in this right angle triangle, PQ and PR are the altitude of this triangle. Now move to our third rough sketch. In this rough sketch, we draw a triangle XYZ such that YL is the altitude of altitude in the exterior of the triangle. This is possible in the case of obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, altitude of this triangle is lie outside of the triangle. So here is the triangle XYZ. From Y we draw a line segment. We draw a perpendicular to the opposite side YZ, and we extend this line up to point Z, and here is the YZ YL, that is the altitude of this triangle. Now move to our last question, and our last question is, verify by drawing a diagram if the median and the altitude of an isosceles triangle can be seen. So this can easily verify by a simple diagram. First we draw an isosceles triangle. So here in the screen you can see an isosceles triangle in which two of its equal sides are of 7 centimeter measurement and unequal side is of 5 centimeter measurement. Now we are going to construct its median. For construct its median, we simply find out the midpoint of the side BC. We can find out this midpoint of this side BC by the method of perpendicular bisector, or we can simply find out it by the help of ruler. So here I have ruler, and midpoint means half, and half of 5 is 2.5. So I am going to mark in 2.5. So here is 2.5 centimeter distance from the point B. I write this point D. Now I am going to join A to D. In this way, AD is the median of the triangle ABC. To verify that AD is altitude of triangle ABC, for this we measure angle ADC or angle ADB. If this angle is equal to 90 degree, it means AD is the altitude of the triangle ABC. So here is my protractor, and I am going to measure this angle, and from the protractor it is clear that angle ADC and angle ADB, both the angles are of 90 degree measurement. So in an isosceles triangle, median and altitude of the triangle can be seen.